Welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Past question number 48. And the instruction here says we should choose the word or group of words that best complete this sentence. And the sentence here says something must be wrong with the school driver. He is dashed today. Something must be wrong with the school driver. He is dashed today. So from something to screwdriver there is a comma, then he is dashed today, then full stop. So this is a sentence of two clauses, so we can call it compound sentence. Compound sentence or statement. Compound statement. So something must be wrong with the screwdriver. He is dashed today. Option A, rather driving carelessly. B, carelessly driving rather. C, driving rather carelessly. Option D, rather carelessly driving. The options here from option A to D, they are all what we refer to as compound verb. We have what we call compound verb. So they are all compound verbs. And in compound verb, now let's start from he is dashed today. When we have he as our subject, then we have is as our predicate or verb. Then what we follow, since it is compound verb, the verb that will qualify the other action is what we follow. So, and that's why we cannot say rather. Yes, he is rather, but we cannot say carelessly driving. No, he cannot, because there is something, there's a verb or adverb that qualifies the careless, and that's why we cannot say carelessly driving rather. So option B cannot go. So we cannot say carelessly, because this carelessly is modifying the verb. That is, carelessly is an adverb telling us more about this verb driving, but the problem we have with option B is rather. So rather cannot come after the adverb that modifies or tells us more about this verb driving. Then rather cannot come after it again. Then also in option C we have driving. Then we cannot have the verb before the adverb that tells us about the verb, because this is the verb, driving is an action, then carelessly is adverb. So the verb that this adverb is telling us about cannot, so we cannot even call it post modification. No, in this expression. So option C cannot. Now let us now look at option A and D. In option A, rather and comes first, and in option D also rather comes first. So rather takes its original position. So he is rather dashed today. He is rather driving carelessly today. He is rather carelessly driving today. And for the analysis of verb plus adverb, the correct arrangement is that we must have the adverb, then follows by verb. This is a grammatical arrangement, so this position is correct, while this position is incorrect. Now, so in option A, you find out that we have driving before the adverb. So because of this, then we are left with option D. So option D is our correct option. So we can say that something must be wrong with the screwdriver. He is rather carelessly driving today. So option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Be sure to subscribe for more of our videos.